Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude classes by ABJ. Today we will solve a problem to find the number of possible combinations of sum obtained by throwing dice. So we have the question: if three dice are thrown, in how many ways we can obtain a sum of 10? If we go by the normal permutations and combination method, it will take a lot of time. So we will directly solve it using a trick. Suppose the number of dice is R and required sum is N, then for sum 1 to 6 the trick is N minus 1 C R minus 1. Okay, and for sum 7 to 12 the trick is N minus 1 C R minus 1 minus R into N minus 7 C R minus 1. Okay, so here we have the trick. We will use the trick to solve this question. The sum here is 10, so which falls under this category. So we'll use this formula. Take N as 10, R as 3. So this comes out 9C2 minus R3 into N minus 7, 10 minus 7, 3, C2. 9C2 comes out to be 9C2 36, and this comes out to be 9. So 36 minus 9 is equal to 27, and that's the actual answer. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.